What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This your girl Teresa Adele. You already know the name because you clicked on the video, but just in case you didn't know, now you know. That was cringy, but anyway, I want to bring you a video on how I do my hooded eye makeup. So here you have it. Just something simple, but very soft, very cute, and you could do a whole lot with it. For my hooded eye girls, you could do so much with your eyes. Sorry, this flash isn't cooperating today, but you can do so much with your hooded eyes. We kind of limit ourselves because we don't have many hooded eye videos to actually, pull from to get any support from, or get like any tutorials from or whatever. It's very simple, very to the point, and it's only 3 colors. You can use more once you can do whatever you want to with your eyes. Honestly, I always say makeup has no rules, so you can do whatever you feel like doing creatively if you want. But yeah, so I just kind of want to bring you this soft look for my hooded eye girls. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you leave a comment so I can know who it is that I'm talking to, who's coming by, and who's a part of the fam. I would love to get to know you guys a little bit better. Hope you enjoy. So right here I went in with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Toffee to clean up under my brow bone and also to create a highlight for my brow. I said that backwards, but either way. And I'm also using that same concealer to cover my entire eyelid as a primer for my eyeshadows for the colors to show.
I'm scanning the galaxy for signs of hostile anti-Martian activity.
So I just went in with my spoolie to kind of blend out those harsh lines from the brows, and I went in with my finger and blended them out a bit more. Now I'm taking this brown shadow from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm using that all over my lid as a transition color. Blend, blend, blend. Please don't forget to blend. So now I'm going in with this Morphe 350 palette, and I am taking that deep brown right there, and I'm going in, deepening the crease. I am going in between the hood and the lid and creating a deeper crease, or just accentuating what I already have. Now, this is really important if you really want your lid to stand out, your small lid. It is very important to go in and kind of accentuate the crease with a deeper color. Now I'm taking the same blending brush that I used earlier and going in and blending the crease color with the transition color to smooth it out. Now I'm taking this very old Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, the Iconic 3 edition, and I'm packing that all over my lid. That will be my lid color. And notice the packing, I want the shimmer to show, and I also want to have as much color as I can on that lid. Please note that I also was very strategic in where I stopped on the lid, because I still wanted that deeper crease to kind of show, that deeper color to show, to kind of give the illusion of a really deeper crease. So just pay attention. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. liquid liner and I am creating a thin, at least I tried to create a thin line and with a small wing, because what I don't want to do is cover my entire lid with a thick line. You have to be cautious of that when you have hooded eyes, so just be careful. Now I'm taking this Morphe Time Shackling Hill palette. I'm going in with the color Mojo. Using that brown to go up under my eye as a liner, kind of, sorta, but I'm really just smoking it out because I really kind of wanted a smoky under eye. And yeah, and with my almond shaped eyes, it really will help to bring out that shape. So now we have lashes, and it's very important to pay attention to what type of lashes you put on your hooded eyes. Now, unless you're just going for a really dramatic look, that's fine. But when you want a more simple, more natural, soft glam, you don't want a lash that's way too large for your eye. Also, you want to make sure that you have the correct size lash for the length of your eye as well. So get in the habit of cutting your lashes. I know you hate it, I hate it too, but it looks a lot better when we cut our lashes to the length of our eye as well. These lashes are the So Wispy by Kiss, and I got a big pack of those. But yeah, I use those for a less dramatic lash. So I use the So Wispy by Kiss for a softer, less dramatic lash. Now I'm going in with this color lip liner in the color Acid Black. I'm not exactly sure who it's by. I just know that I bought it from a beauty supply and it works really, really good. And I'm taking that color under this lipstick from Mary Kay in the color Tenacious Taupe. And that is a pinkish nude color. And we're going to kind of overdraw the lips slightly, which we're really not overdrawing it. We're just putting the liner on the perimeter of the lips and not on the inside. And that's the lip. Well guys, there you go. There you have it. You have my natural, well, soft glam hooded eye tutorial for my hooded eye girls. So hopefully that helps you. Hopefully, you know, you have a little bit more insight on how to really do your eye. You know what? I just forgot something. I'm glad that I'm here. I did not spray my face with any setting spray. And I have on my lashes. Plus, I didn't put my inner corner highlighted. So hopefully you guys like this look. Also, I recreated this look because I did this look the other day and somehow I lost the video. So this is a recreation of what I've already done, but I did it a little bit differently. So yeah, this is a recreation of that. So hopefully you like the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel and tuning into this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload another video. And if you made it to the end of this here video part, leave a bow. Leave a bow in the comments for me. Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Teresa Adele checking out.